Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, today we're doing Instant Pot eggs and using a 555 method. And if you've never done this before, this is the method that I use, and it's quite popular and it's been around for a while. So what you'll need for this is an Instant Pot, and today we have a 6-quart Instant Pot, and you'll need 1 cup of regular tap water. We have it right here. Just pour it in like that, very easy and simple. And you're going to need some type of a basket, or you can use your trivet that came with the Instant Pot. And today, this is the trivet that we're not going to use today, but we are going to use a steamer basket that we have. Got it on Amazon, and I'll leave the link below the video. And today we're going to be using some cage-free eggs because we're doing a egg fast today. Zoom out there. You can't imagine you're doing, well, you can put at least a dozen eggs, and maybe about a dozen and a half eggs in that. I usually save the empty container and then I'll put the eggs in there if I don't crack them right away. But we're going to crack them all today to see how easy it is to crack the eggs. So this, I'll show you how simple this is. Reposition the camera. Just pick up your basket. This goes right into the Instant Pot. As you can see, the water's not even touching the eggs, which is fine. And we just plug it in. Okay. Now on the Instant Pot, you just make sure you get a good seal on the inside lid, which we do. And when you put your lid on, it'll make a beeping, it'll make a little noise. Just like that. Seal it to your right. And make sure your knob is point to seal and not vent. Right here, this is vent and that's seal. And then we're going to just set it to 10 minutes on steam. Here's the steam button on my Instant Pot right there. And it's already set for 10. So basically that's going to, when that builds up pressure, it'll beep and then it'll start counting down, and then we'll let it. Okay, so now that's on. So what's it going to do now at this point? It's going to build up pressure, and then it'll go on to 10, and then you'll start counting down. And at that point, we'll come back, and when it's almost done, to a natural release, it'll say L, and then we'll let it go for 10 minutes, and we'll pop it and put it in an ice bath for 10 minutes on the eggs. Okay? Okay, so it's been about 4 minutes there. We're going to naturally release that in another minute. But I kind of messed up. It was supposed to be 5 minutes on steam, not 10, but they still should be okay. So these are some of the things that, you know, we learn as we go. Now we're going to give them an ice bath. So we're just going to cancel it. Cancel button over here. Where's the cancel button? Yada, right here. Okay. Now we're just gonna release it. Just be careful, it could be hot. You don't want to hurt yourself, burn yourself. You don't want to hurt yourself or hurt yourself. Here, right here, see? If you look there, that vent valve button will go down. There you go. Now it's ready to pop the lid off. And I go like this, make sure I get the water out of there so I don't get it all over my countertop. So that's what they look like on the inside. I'm using a pair of tongs so I don't burn myself. Just like that. Now we're going to just take them out, put them in an ice bath. Just like, let me position my camera. And that's what they mean by the 5-5-5 method, except for our case, we had it on for 10 minutes because it should have been 5, but they still came out okay. We use this steamer basket that we got off of Amazon. I'll clean that up and put that away in a little bit. And then what we have going on over here, we have our 6 eggs. They're cooling down a little bit. Leave them in there for 5 minutes, and then we'll crack them into a plastic bag, and I'll show you how easy they crack. And we'll put these in a bowl. We'll have them for snacks for all week, and I'll make maybe a couple deviled egg hams, and maybe some Schaffel egg salad sandwiches. So it's been about 5 minutes now, and them in the ice bath. So we're gonna slide these over here, and I'm gonna put these in a container when I'm done cracking the eggs. And so I don't get a mess all over the countertop, we're gonna put them in a throwaway bag from the grocery store. And I'll show you how we crack the eggs, and I'll open them for you to show you. Well, first just start peeling these. Just like that. Look at it. Look at how nice and easy the peels come off. So look at that. So since we're coming into the summer months, you can make some nice potato salads with these. You know, if you're doing low carb weight loss, you can do a replacement with cauliflower for the potatoes. I would recommend that when you crack these shells off of the eggs, you use some type of bag like that so you don't have a mess all over the place. Put that away. That's pretty easy for that because that just had water in it. I just clean it all up and dry it out. So there you have the I guess discarded. So there you have it. 6 eggs, 5 minutes on steam, 5 minutes on natural, 5 minutes on ice bath. Now we'll pop one of these babies open and we'll give you a taste test. You can see we just cut one of these open, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It's fully cooked, and we left them on for 5 minutes longer than we needed to be, but they still came out fine. Nice and yellow yolk. Really good. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Loving Keto, Ron's weight loss journey. And remember, caring is sharing.